How to clear search history on Twitter. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is simply launch the Twitter application on your device. Now make sure that you're logged into your account on Twitter. As you're logged into your account on TikTok or Twitter, simply tap on your profile, or rather tap on the magnifying glass icon at the bottom of the screen. Here, you can tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. So let me search for a particular person over here. I'm gonna search for it over here. So let me show you an example. So I've searched for this particular person. Now what happens over here is you'll be able to see the search history simply on the search bar at the top where you just typed in. So simply tap on the search bar and you'll be able to see the search history. So let's tap on the search bar over here and tap on search, and here is your search history. Now if you want to check it or you can remove it, you can simply tap on the cross icon at the top right corner of the screen. But that's how basically you can check the search history on Twitter. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.